Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to make a very healthy and tasty breakfast recipe, that is Moong Dal Chilla. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, you would always get the notifications of my video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I've taken around 200 grams of moong dal and I've soaked in water for around 2 hours. Now it's time to grind them. So we added the moong dal, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of hing with it. Here I have made almost a fine paste out of it, but if you want, you can make a paste which is a bit coarse. It has a nice texture and you might like it. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Let it settle for a while and we'll quickly make the tomato chutney. Poke the tomato with a fork and we'll roast it over the gas on medium to high flame. It will give a nice char grilled flavor to it and will also add a little rustic touch to our chutney. Once it has got those black marks from outside, it's time to take it out. In the same manner, I have also roasted a chili. It's quite a spicy chili. You can add or subtract the amount of chili according to your own like. Now take the skin out of the tomato. No need to take the skin out of chili as it will add to the nice char grilled flavor. Add the tomato and the chili to a blender. I would also add the seeds and juice of 2 more tomatoes that I have used for topping the chilla. Also add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Add some salt and sugar according to your taste. And let's grind them. Look at the beautiful spicy tangy chutney. I love it. The pan is on medium heat and I'm adding a little drizzle of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice and spread it nicely. Pour 2 ladles of the batter and spread it nicely with the back of your spatula. No hurries, take your time. Mind it, the pan should be hot enough to let it stick. If it doesn't stick, if your pan is not hot enough, it will come off. Add the toppings one by one. Here I'm adding onions, a bit of nice tomatoes, green chilies. According to your taste, you can add or not add, and then coriander finally. Add a nice drizzle of olive oil from the top and the sides. It will make your chilla really crispy. A gentle press to all the toppings so that it sticks to your chilla, because you don't want them to come off while you flip it. You can also add any other topping of your choice and let me know down in the comments below how it comes out. The main idea is to make it colorful and tasty at the same time. Cook for around a minute on one side and check it. It should be a little golden brown. Once it's golden brown, it's time to flip it. Look, that looks beautiful. Fold it into a crescent shape and our beautiful chilla is ready. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting and hit that bell icon so that you get all the updates whenever I upload a new recipe.